Hi everybody, it's Joanie here for another Champ Camp live virtual class. And today I am going to be showing you how to make candy leis. So if you have a graduate in your life, doesn't matter if it's preschool, kindergarten, 5th grade, 8th grade, high school, college, PhD, master's, this is a great way to let them know that you care and that despite not getting a graduation this year, they have accomplished so much. So let's get started. And let me set up my little contraption thing. Oops. Okay. There we go. Okay, so for the candy leis, you will obviously need candy. I have leftover Easter candy, so mine are bunnies, eggs, hunt mix, that is chocolates, eggs, whatever. And then I have little latte candy things. You can really put whatever you want in these candy leis. It just depends like how big you make them. Candy. A lot of people like to put money on the candy leis. You can just fold it up and stick it inside, but whatever will work. And then you'll need some cellophane. So I have a big roll like this. And if you don't have cellophane, I think this could work well with wrapping paper. Actually, you just wouldn't be able to see the candy, but it would still be able to wrap it up and it would still look cute. So cellophane or wrapping paper. And then you're gonna need some scissors and ribbon. I have pre-cut my ribbon into about this size. I think that's about 7 inches. Yeah, so just any type of ribbon. I have multiple colors, multiple kind of fabrics, and yeah, that's all you'll need. So the end product looks like this, and let's get started. So what you'll need to do is, I've already measured out 1 sheet of cellophane, but you'll need actually 2. Depends how long your roll is, but most come in this, I think this is about 1 yard. The width is about 1 yard. So I'm gonna cut probably 6 inches off and just run my scissors along there. Super easy. And now I have 2 pieces of cellophane, because you want your leis to be kind of long, because, well, I guess it doesn't matter because people won't be walking across stages in caps and gowns, but they normally have a bunch of stuff piled on together. So the longer the lei, the more stuff can fit. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to grab your candy, if it's hard candy, whatever these are, and start placing them on your cellophane about 1 inch apart. And you don't want to overload the middle of it, or else the candy might fall out. So like 1 decent size of piece of candy, or 2 little ones. It's really up to you. Get the master folding skills in. I think the Easter candy's kind of cute. And the latte candies are always good. Okay, so we have our candy on our cellophane about 1 inch apart. Oh, there we go. Okay. And the next thing we want to do is roll it up. So taking 1 edge of the cellophane and folding it over. And then just kind of folding it over again on itself to wrap it up into a nice little tube. It's okay if your candy shifts, because you can always move it around. And so we'll start with one side, and we'll just start taking our ribbon and tying it all together. So let's start right here at the end. And just do simple little knots, nothing fancy. Another thing that you can do is you could actually tie flowers onto the middle where the ribbon is. You can, this is where you would put the money if you were gonna make money leis. You can get creative however you want, filling them with whatever you want. See, my candy kind of shifted, but it's totally fine because all you have to do is just kind of wrap the cellophane around it again. Tie a little knot. And while this may seem a little tedious right now, I think the results are totally worth it for your graduate or whoever to probably make their day. You could also get creative with the color of the ribbon and do the person's school colors, whether that's like gold and blue. I know a lot of schools are like red and black. You can totally get creative. I'll use one of these ones. See, all you have to do is just shove the candy back in there. And then the last one, just kind of shove those in there. We're not going to tie ribbon around the end of this one. We'll leave that be. Set that to the side and then do our second half. So again, same thing. Taking our piece of cellophane, and then just putting candy in it. So this time I'll just do one piece just to save candy. Try to get these bigger pieces in, these carrots that are so funny. Do 2 little eggs. Reach in. Okay, so then we have our second side all set up. Same thing. Just kind of wrap it, I guess like you're wrapping a burrito. Try to wrap it nice and tight. Kind of makes it easier when you only have one piece of candy. And then same thing, ribbon, and just tie it around. So I'm gonna leave the top end this time with no ribbon, because that's how we'll connect it. And it's okay if you just do one knot, you don't have to double knot it. Or you can tie a fancy bow if you're feeling fancy or more decorative. Just scoot the carrot up there. This works really well with, I know it's almost summer, but like Halloween candy packs that have like the mini size candy bars in them. That works perfect. And there we go. All right, we'll do one more. And we're actually going to leave this other side open too, because when we connect them now to make our extra long lei, we'll connect these two sides and we'll just kind of overlap them like this. Take another piece of our ribbon. I'll take my fancy ribbon and I'll just tie it up at the top. Double knot this one because it's holding 2 pieces together. And then we'll move down to the bottom. I guess I'll take my fancy one again, and then same thing, just wrapping the 2 pieces over each other and tying them together. Double knotting, of course. And then your lei is almost done. If you want to leave it like that, fine. But if you want to take these straight little ribbons and give them a nice curly look, all you have to do is, this would be great for the parents to do, you just have to take the ribbon, place it against the edge of the scissor, and then put your finger on top of it and pull. And you get a nice curly ribbon. So you can go and do that. Just make it look extra fun. Sometimes it goes the wrong way and you just have to do it a couple more times. Super easy, super fun. And a great way to show someone that you're proud of them. And then they get to eat delicious candy. Because who doesn't love eating delicious candy? Okay, so I won't do all of these because you get the idea. But the more ribbon, or the longer that you cut these little ribbon pieces, the more room you'll have to create these nice spirally ribbons. And then you're done. And that's basically it. It's candy leis. They're so easy. They're a great way to show someone that they have done a great thing. And then you just wear them. Here, I'll put one on. Like that. Perfect. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.